Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, we're replacing the port cover on your Getac B300. For this example, I'll be removing the port cover over the CD drive, but it will work for any of the port covers. First thing I like to do is flip the unit over so I can see all of the screws. There are 3 screws on this bottom side here, and 3 on the side of the actual drive. You want to remove them all. Once they're all removed, to get the actual cover off, it's a little easier to open the lid. So I'm going to open that. And that's it. This is just an example, so I'll put that one right back. If the little brackets come off, doesn't matter, you just want to put those exactly how they were. Screw in all 6 screws. Then you want to just check and make sure that the port cover is working fine, and you're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below.